Okay, this is the updated payment. Okay, let us see. Okay, this is the second page. Let's go for the first page. Okay, this is the amount that you will received. Okay, this is the updated payment proof. The payment will be paid in daily basis. So trust me, make $100 a day is possible for you. If you want to make such amount of money, then you just need to follow the 3 simple steps that I will share in this video. It's either you're beginner, new YouTuber, small channel without 1000 subscribers and without 4000 hours watching time also can make money using these 3 simple steps. Let us continue and keep watching this video. Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4000 hours watching time and less than 1000 subscribers, and also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details. Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. Okay, in this video I will share how we can make money from YouTube without 1000 subscribers and without 4000 hours watching time. What you need to do is just to follow the 3 simple steps. Okay, the step number 1 is to get the digital product from the library. Step number 2 to get the unique URL for that product. Step number 3 to add the unique URL at the video description. So if you have video, then you put the URL at your video description, then you will get paid. So in these steps, okay, using these 3 simple steps, you can make money even you are new YouTuber or new channel. It's not an issue. So now let us continue.